Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1973 Chevy Camaro. Beautiful, beautiful yellow car. Powered by a 383, upgraded headers, aluminum heads, aluminum valve cover gaskets, 4-speed manual transmission, 4-barrel carb that's been dialed in, upgraded aluminum intake, radiator fans, MSD electronic, 10-bolt rear end with a 373 gear and a posi traction. Check this baby out. Driver quality with gorgeous paint. Couple flaws, we'll go through them, but nothing of major. Great stance. Great ass. Clean underneath. Paint shines well. Let's get up and close to this baby. It's all under the hood too. Front bumpers and lights are all working on your turn signals, horn, radio, fan, all working, wipers working. What a face. That's nice. Hood lines up well. Little discolored from the rest of the car, so it looks like it was painted separately, but nothing bad. Just a couple little fogs I see. But like I said, driver quality and shines great. A couple little dingies here. Nothing major. Glass is good all the way around with chrome. Front fender badged at 350. Sitting on American racing wheels. Those are 17-inch, big tire, 40 in the back. Doors and fenders line up well. It's got a great look. Trunk good. Glass around there is great. And the chrome. Chrome good. Tail fin good. A couple little imperfections in the back of it. I got to get up close so you can see them deep in. These are painted on stripes. Rear quarter good. Lines up well. Tiny little stuff on the bottom. Let me get off it. Fenders, door are good. All your glass from the rear to the driver's and passenger side is all good. Let's check out the interior. Black buckets, your seat belts are all there. In the front. Got 6x9s in the back, which is in good shape. Headliner in good shape. Door panel's good. All this is good. Sun visor's intact, dashboard good. out the trunk. All your weather stripping's good throughout the car. Looks fresh. Trunk's in okay condition, not bad, solid. Maybe a little sand down and a little bit better paint in the pad, that's all, but nothing major. Let's fire this baby up. Only thing that's not working is the speedometer. Nice sound, dual exhaust. Took some pictures of the carburetor. Nicely built. Nice and clean. Clutch is good, I drove it, handles great, suspension, no funky noises, tight, a lot of pull. Let me give it a little gas. Nice car. If you're looking to do any financing with us and you're a 639 to a 739, minimum 10% down, up to 84 months, good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Usually an approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. 84 months, good rates. And if you're a 639 to 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now. You could always call me if you need quotes on shipping, enclosed or open, anywhere in the United States. Questions on any of our cars, you could reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our descriptions, videos, photos, and pricing is online. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 till 6. By appointment only. So you need to give me a call at 773-600-0919. I can get you in, answer any of your questions. Call me. If you like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this 73.